Students, you all understand that small scale enterprises are very important for the development of rural areas as well as for the country's development also. So we have to provide support for the development of these industries, and even not only the local people are and other organizations are helpful in increasing the social small scale enterprise in India, but government is equally participating for the development of small scale enterprise, and government is too much working for the development of these backward areas of the country, to make the regional balance regional balance in all the areas of the country, so that the development of all the areas will be equal. And in this way government is supporting small scale enterprises to for running their activities, for also for meeting their financial requirements as well as. So government has started so many schemes, so many programs, so many policies for the promoting for helping the small scale industries. Now what are the measures to promote small business units? अब small business units को हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ाने के लिए, increase करने के लिए क्या क्या measures कर सकते हैं? So these measures are, first is institutional support, and second is incentives for enterprise in rural, backward and hilly areas. मीन्स या तो हम उनको इंस्टीट्यूशंस, जो ऐसी गवर्नमेंट ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशंस डेवलप करे जिससे कि रूरल एरियाज में जितनी भी स्मॉल स्केल एंटरप्राइजेज है उनको हेल्प मिल सके. सो दैट इज द इंस्टीट्यूशनल सपोर्ट. एंड ऑल्सो incentives should be given to the enterprise in rural, backward and hilly areas. मीन्स अगर उनकी कोई फाइनेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट्स है या उनको किसी और तरह के incentives की रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो दिस शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड in the enterprise in rural, backward and hilly areas. First of all, what was the institutional support? What was the institutional support given by the government to the small scale industries for the promotion of small scale industries? The government has given so much institutional support. First is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, जिसे कि आप नाबार्ड कहते हैं. नाबार्ड वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारी इंस्टीट्यूशनल स्टार्ट किए जो कि स्मॉल स्केल एंटरप्राइजेस को प्रॉपरली टाइमली हेल्प करती हैं, उनको उनकी फाइनेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट्स को फुलफिल करती हैं, एंड ऑल्सो गिविंग वैल्यूबल एडवाइसेस फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. इसमें से फर्स्ट है नाबार्ड, नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. This bank was started by the government for helping the rural and backward areas for the agricultural and other development. So this is the bank, this is the institution which was started by government for agricultural and rural development. Next is the Rural Small Business Development Center, RSBDC. This was also started by the government in rural areas for small business development center. Means these business development centers are helping small businesses in India. Next is National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC. National Small Industries Corporation was also started by the central and the state government to help the small businesses and to provide the to fulfill the requirements of the small businesses, and also giving encouragement for starting more and more business and these enterprises. So this National Small Industries Corporation was working for small businesses. Then next is Small Industries Development Bank of India. Government also started Small Industries Development Bank. These are the banks which are started for the giving valuable help or the incentives to the providing incentives to the small businesses, and also meeting their financial requirements for the shortage of funds, shortage of raw material, etc. So these Small Industries Development Bank was started, which are helping small industries in India. Then next is the National Commission for Enterprise in the Unorganized Sector. नेशनल कमीशन फॉर एंटरप्राइज भी स्टार्ट किया गया, जो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर्स हैं, जो कि स्मॉल रूरल एरियाज हैं, जो कि पूरी तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है. तो देयर गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड नेशनल कमीशन. These commission was started for helping the small enterprises in the unorganized sector. Next is the Rural and Women Enterprise Development. Another work of the government is Rural and Women Entrepreneurship Development. These institution was helping government, helping the rural women to start their enterprise and also make the rural women entrepreneurs, so that business women can start their own enterprise and they should also become entrepreneur. वुमेन्स के लिए प्रमोशन के लिए, वुमेन्स को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए ये रूरल एंड वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट बस स्टार्ट किया गया. नेक्स्ट है वर्ल्ड एसोसिएशन फॉर स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइज. दिस एसोसिएशन वाज स्टार्टेड फॉर स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइज, so that helping the small and medium entrepreneurs in our country. Next is scheme of funds for regeneration of traditional industries. This scheme was started for helping for providing the funds of the traditional industries. Means those are traditional industries are running in our country, in rural areas of the country. These traditional industries was helped by this scheme. That is, these schemes are providing funds for the regeneration. उसको दोबारा से आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, regenerate करने के लिए, जो traditional industries हैं, those who are not working properly, those who are not running properly, उनको दोबारा से जनरेट करने के लिए, दोबारा से रीजनरेशन के लिए ये स्कीम निकाली गई गवर्नमेंट ने. So these are the institutional support which was provided by the government, so that the small enterprises are not facing any problems, and whatever the problems these industries are facing, so it should be removed by the government for starting these enterprises, these commissions in development banks in rural areas. These are the different institutions started by the government which are helping, which are promoting small businesses in India.